When you say nurturing clients, can you give me a specific example of what you're looking for?
Absolutely. Past clients that we worked around with 2 years ago, they did some work with us. Maybe they don't have projects in the area, but you want to make sure you're nurturing them,
Okay.
Keeping them fresh.
In terms of nurturing clients, past clients that you did work with years ago, you haven't done work with them recently, you have 3 options, okay? I'm biased on one of them, the last one, okay? Option number 1, do nothing and hope that they call you, okay? That's not a strategy. Hope is not a strategy. Option number 2, and by the way, 90% of people fall into bucket number 1. They don't do anything. They're like, well, they'll call us if they need us. No, they won't. They'll call somebody else. Option number 2, you're going to call them with some sort of bull junk, fake nice, how's your day going? Hope all is going well. Hey, I just wanted to check in with you, blah, 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 blankety blank, right? It's not skillful. They were born at night, but they weren't born last night. They know what you're doing, right? And the weird thing about that is it's easy for them to just blow you off. And then again, just like with option number 1, they don't remember you when they do need something, okay? Or you could give this option a try. You could give this option a try. You could treat everybody that you did business with 2 years ago like they're a brand new prospect. And you could call with a hook and an insight, right? You might not even need to reference that you did business with them years ago. That might just be too heavy, right? It could be something as simple as there's something that every general contractor is having to deal with right now. I wanted to make sure you were aware of it. There's something that the top CPAs there in Dallas are sharing amongst each other that I'm hearing over and over again. I want to give you a heads up on this and make sure you knew what was going on, right? And now you're right back in the road. They're going to say things like, hey, didn't we get some stuff from you a couple years back? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. But now you're going to deliver value. So I would deliver value with those insights. The same way like Nick delivered value in that video, right? But don't have it be a sales pitch. Hey, I just want to, there's something going on that everybody's got a flat roof's having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. It's standing water. We're getting ready to have some storms here. What that's going to do is create higher pressure centers in the water. So if there was ever any little rust or anything, that's going to force that water through. I just want to make sure you guys were aware of this. Get somebody up there. If you need somebody to get up there, I'm happy to take a look at it. But I wanted to give you a heads up on what's going on here because it's painful when I find out that people 3 weeks before could have fixed something that ended up costing them thousands of bucks. I don't know. It's not that great of an insight, but I'm trying to weave something in here. He would have a better version of telling that story because I'm not in the roofing coating business. But nurture them with hooks and insights. Don't nurture them with checking in and following up. Like, by the way, every owner of a company, okay, every business owner wishes that their people on a regular basis knocked on their door with this, a new idea. Even if the ideas were insane, that's what you want from your people. Boss, I think if we put one of those inflatable things with the arms outside, more people would notice as they drove by. That's a stupid idea. That has nothing to do with what we're doing here at Strike Zone Martial Arts. But you love that employee because they're thinking out of the box. You can be that same person as a vendor who hasn't worked with them in 2 years. Just bring them new ideas. Don't bring them a sales pitch. And don't bring a how you doing, checking in, following up. Bring them a new idea. Here's something that's going on. I wanted to make sure you're aware of it. Now you're helpful and you'll be on the right track.